In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run copyright check in CapCut. This is a quick but important step that helps you avoid issues like muted audio or takedowns after you publish. CapCut's built-in check looks specifically at the sound in your video, music, voiceovers, and sound effects to see if anything might trigger a copyright claim. Running it right before you export gives you peace of mind and can save you from re-uploading later. Start with your project open in the CapCut desktop app. Make sure your edit is ready and the audio you plan to use is already on the timeline. It helps to play a few seconds and confirm you can hear everything as expected. When you're set, look to the top right of the screen and click the export button. This opens the export window where you normally choose things like resolution, format, and file name. In that window, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option labeled Check Copyright with a toggle beside it. Turn that toggle on to run the scan. If the toggle is grayed out or you can't enable it, that usually means your timeline doesn't contain any audio yet. CapCut only checks sound, so a silent video won't qualify. Add your music, voiceover, or sound effects to the project first, then return to the export window and scroll back down to the Check Copyright option. Once there's audio present, the toggle should become available and you can enable it. After you turn it on, CapCut will quickly analyze the audio in your project. You'll see a status appear near that option. What you're looking for is Sound Copyright Check Passed. When you see that message, you're good to proceed with your usual export settings. If the check doesn't pass, take a moment to review your audio choices. You can replace or adjust the track that's causing the issue, then come back to the export window and run the check again to confirm it's cleared. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click export in the top right, scroll to the bottom of the export window, enable check copyright, and wait for sound copyright check passed before exporting. Make this part of your final review every time you change music or add new sound effects. It's a small step that can prevent big headaches once your video goes live. Thanks for watching and happy editing.